So for this application of the differential, then to find the approximate value for this given, the square root of 626 and this given is equal to y plus the derivative of y. Then without the radical, so that's 626. So this is x plus the derivative of x. Then we need to find a number closer to 626 that there is square root, and that's 625 because the square root of 625 is 25. So we have 625 plus 1, and that's 626. So this is now x plus the dx. So therefore, x is equal to 625 and dx, that's positive 1. Then we let y equals the square root of x and dy, or the derivative of y. So since this square root of x in exponential form, this is equal to x to the power 1 half. So to find the derivative, so we have 1 over 2, then x minus 1 for this exponent. So this is negative 1 over 2 times the dx. Then to simplify, so this is 1 over 2, then bring down to make this exponent positive, and that's square root of x, because x to the power 1 half is square root of x, then times the dx. Then to find the value for dy, so we have 1 over 2 times the square root of x, and x is equal to 625, then times the dx, and dx is equal to 1. Then this is 1 over 2 times the square root of 625 is 25, and we have 1 over 50. So therefore dy is equal to 0.02. Then to find now the approximate value for the square root of 626, so this is equal to y, and y is square root of x, and x is 625, then plus the dy, and dy is 0.02. So this is 25 for the square root of 625 plus 0.02. So therefore, this 626 is equal to 25.02. Then for this given, so this is y plus the derivative of y, then without the radical, and this is x plus the derivative of x. Then we need to find a number closer to 215 with cube root, and that's 216, because the cube root of 216 is 6. So we have 6 times 6 times 6, that's 216. So this is 216 minus 1, and that's 215. So this is now x plus the dx. So therefore, x is equal to 216 and dx is negative 1. Then this time we let y equals the cube root of x. Then to find the derivative of y, since this is equal to x to the power 1 over 3, then to find the derivative, so this is 1 over 3, then x minus 1, so this is negative 2 over 3, then the dx, then to simplify, so this is 1, then over 3, then bring down, so this is the root, so we have now the cube root of x to the power 2 times the dx. Then this time to find out the value for dy, so we have 1, then over 3, then times the cube root of x, so x is 216, then this to the power 2, so we just need to put this 2 outside, then times the dx, and dx is negative 1, then to simplify, so we have 1 over 3 times the cube root of 216, that's 6, then we have this to the power 2 times negative 1, or this is equal to negative 1, then over 3 times 36, or we have negative 1 over 3 times 36. This is 108. So therefore, dy equals, so we have negative 1 divided by 108 equals, so we have this negative 3 exponent, so we need to move 3 places to the left, so this is 0.009, so we have negative 0.009, then to find out the approximate value for this cube root of 215, so we have y, and y is cube root of x, so we have the cube root of x, that's 216, then plus dy, so dy is negative 0.009, so the cube root of 216, this one is 6, then minus 0.09, so therefore the approximate value for the cube root of 215 is 5.991. Then for this given, so since this is equal to the fourth root, so this is the root of 82 quantity to the power 3, so we have now y plus dy, then without the radical, so 82 equals x plus the dx. Then we need to find a number closer to 82 with fourth root, and that's 81 because the fourth root of 81 is 3. So this is 81 plus 1, and that's 82. So we have x plus the dx. So therefore, x is 81 and dx is 1. Then we let y equals to the fourth root of x, then quantity to the power 3, then dy. So since this is equal to x to the power 3 over 4, so dy equals 3 over 4 times x minus 1. So this is negative 1 over 4, then the dx. Then to simplify, so we have 3 over 4, so bring down, and this becomes the fourth root of x, then times the dx. Then to solve now for dy, so we have 3 over 4 times the fourth root of x, and x is 81 times dx, and dx is 1. So this becomes 3 over 4. The fourth root of 81 is 3. Then this becomes 1 over 4, or this is 0.25. So dy is 0.25. Then to find out the approximate value for this 82 to the power 3 over 4, so from this formula, y is the fourth root of x, and x is 81, then quantity to the power 3, then plus dy, and dy is 0.25, and this fourth root of 81 is 3, then to the power 3 plus 0.25, and 3 to the power 3, this one is 27, plus 0.25. So therefore, the approximate value for this 82 to the power 3 over 4 is 27.25.